All right, so it looks like we had the first person shower with this and they gave it a thumbs up. So success to that. Now let's work on cleaning all this up. So I'm basically just gonna attack with a variety of different scrapers here to dig out that old grout. So for this next step, I love using vinegar and just dish soap. And I'm spraying it along the edges and then giving it a scrub with a wire bristle brush. And this stuff just comes right off. All right, so you just saw me scrub all the way around. And basically I just went back and forth, back and forth. And you don't want to overdo it, otherwise you'll actually dig out that grout. But let's give it a rinse and let it dry overnight, and I think all of you will be amazed what a difference that made. All the old grout has been cleaned out. We scrubbed it all clean, and we are ready to apply the new caulking. So one of the biggest challenges with caulking is how do you get it to be nice and straight? So especially down the vertical walls and along the edges. So a trick someone taught me was you use a little bit of tape. All right, so that was a lot of work, but you know, there's nothing more rewarding than a good prep job to get some great results. So now we're ready for some quick beads of caulking and let her dry. All right, so a couple tools you can just watch me use. A lot of gloves, a lot of wipes, and then a secret tool, some WD-40. This is a siliconized caulk, and so when you watch me run my finger across it, I'll have gloves on, and that caulk will get all over your gloves. But if you just spray a little bit of WD-40 on your glove and you wipe across, get a nice clean edge. So let's get to it. So we went all the way around, applied the caulking, and now time to rip up that tape. All right, there you go. There's our finished product. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Hope you are too. Thank you for watching.